What the hell is it?
I don't know what the hell that thing is.
Oh, I know what it is.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It's for DIYers, it's for house flippers, it's for first-time home buyers. It is a cool little gadget, very easy to use, very simple to use. Goes right on the end of any drill. I just happen to be using my Ryobi drill for this. This is one of the first drills I ever got, so it's still working pretty good. Ryobi makes a good product. Lauren's doing a shark-themed bedroom for our son, and I'm tasked with doing the closet door. I know they put me in charge of all the really important things around here. So one of the biggest issues I'm having here is anytime we come into his bedroom, the doors stick. The house is about 50 years old, so any of these doors in the house that you go in and out of, they stick really bad. When we come in to check on them in the middle of the night, you try to sneak in here so you don't wake them up, and all of a sudden you hear. So I got a little gadget at Christmas time that I wanted to share with you guys. It's pretty cool. I'm not gonna go out on a limb and say that it's a must-have. It's a Ryobi wood door trimmer. So you guys have all seen the planers. If you're going to trim a door, a lot of times you just pop the pins, you take it outside, you take your circular saw or whatever, you run it through your table saw. It gets to be kind of a pain in the butt, especially with these old doors. The hinges are painted closed, so it's a mess to try to pop the pins out. I don't really want to get into that today. So this little device here is a Ryobi wood door trimmer. So what happens is it's adjustable to fit the top of the door. There we go. Been using it a lot lately. Fits right on the door like this. You put your drill right over the pin. And as you're running it along the edge, this bit right there is gonna grind off just enough of the door to hopefully keep it from sticking. Normally I don't cover stuff up, but Lauren just built a built-in wooden bookshelf, and the paint's still a little tacky, so I didn't want to get all this dust all over that. If you want to see that built-in, check out the Shark Week playlist. There's a whole bunch of projects that we did in this room. That playlist is really cool. Lauren did a great job on the rest of this room. So if you want to see what I'm looking at right now, check that playlist out. See if I can get you a demonstration here. Some of these old doors are kind of brittle, especially around the edges, the hollow doors that they used to use back then. I mean, I guess they still use them, but the old hollow doors, they really flake apart when you use this tool. So a little sanding right afterwards on a paint job, you guys are gonna like the way it turned out. So it does require a little bit of muscle to try to get in there. You do need some elbow grease into this. It's not just gonna clip on and a couple quick pass-throughs, problem solved. It's not like that. You still have to give it a little bit of push. There are a couple features that I don't love about it. I wish that this would lock open. As you're going up and down the door, it tends to want to separate a little bit. So I wish there was a way to lock this. So Ryobi, if you're watching this video, figure out a way to lock that. Could be just something as easy enough as like a little tab or something to lock it on place. There's a handle. I do like the handle right here. Makes it easy to grab hold and run it up and down. It's safe. You don't have to worry about getting your hands near that. Some of those old planers where you're going up and down, it's like a cheese grater on the other side. So even though it works, this is much better. It will save you time. You won't have to pop the pins out of the doors. You won't have to carry them outside. You won't have to buy a circular saw. You won't have to buy a jigsaw. So like I said, it's not a must-have, but if you do flip houses or you're a new homeowner, I think it's about $17, $18 on Amazon or Home Depot. It's a Ryobi wood door trimmer. It's not a bad thing to have. I've done about 6 doors already, so I'm not sure how long this bit's gonna last. But I don't know, give it a whirl. It's less than $20, it's a gadget. If you're looking for a Christmas gift or somebody, or a gift for a friend that has everything, most likely they don't have one of these.